Hello mountain chum, just me again today. Today I'm going to be doing Carrock Fell in the far northeast of the Lake District. Wainwright's second favourite hill of the Northern Lakes after Blencathra, and then from there to High Pike, then down to Knott, and then, if my legs will stand it, round to Great Calva. So the way I'm going up today is up Rake Trod, and from there it's supposedly quite an easy way up the hill. This is where the walk begins. Although it's steep, this is certainly an improvement on the one I've been up before. Keep heading up towards the trees up there. Carrock Fell is the most northeasterly of the Wainwrights. And just looking out here, it does very much feel like the edge of the lakes. There's one footpath here that goes up along the line of the scree, but my recollection is that is not recommended. Apart from anything else, it knocks the scree down off the hill. There is another footpath here off to the right, which we're going to go up. The footpath crosses over the scree here and is neatly defined on the other side. Always take care on the hill. It's the safest way, I find. Carrock Fell, High Pike awaits. It wouldn't be walking the lakes without a little bit of squelching. So this path brings us up to Myton Hill, which is on the way up to High Pike, and everything's amazing. You should be here. Come here. Come here right now. Here we are then, last little push up to High Pike. Hello. Carrock Fell and High Pike are in themselves quite a nice little round. Of course, it's important to bear in mind that the weather is always like this in the Lake District, if not better. So, that was High Pike. And now we follow the path back down to Knott, and from there we will take a view as to whether I have the physical resources to go on and do Great Calva. The path goes back down the way it came up, and we go back down to the Cumbria Way, and we turn right and follow it, heading towards Knott. course this route also has the benefit of one of the Lake District's rare mountaintop cafes, so we'll just pop in and see, maybe pick up a bun. That's Lingy Hut. Not a cafe, but a bothy. There's quite a view. It's still steeper than not going uphill. Swings and roundabouts really, isn't it? So here we are, this is Knott. This is Knott is where we are. This is confusing, but I'll put it on the screen. Not bad that. I'm out of Knott jokes. This is rather nice. So to get to Great Calva from Knott requires quite a big skirting of the valley. Hopefully I won't lose too much height. I don't think I remember it being quite this steep before, but there we go. It is what it is, and what it is a mountain. Starting to make up some of the height I've lost coming off of Knott. And then the path winds its way around to the left. If this had been raining, it would have been fractionally less entertaining. Certainly to do and possibly to watch. Style. I'm afraid that is going down as an impossible style to climb. Not without a bit of a swim as well. There it is. Spiky majesty of Great Calva. So there we go. All that remains is to get back down again. I'm going to have a bit of chocolate first. Okie dokes, let's go home. Oh, it's getting cold. So that was the fourth Wainwright of the day, and hopefully it goes without saying for the final. Oh, I remember this cairn of thorns. So down we we go. Slow and steady. Onwards and downwards. This is not, it has to be said, one of the most interesting ways off a mountain, but it is direct where I wish to go. From here you can also see one of the other ways off, Knott, over there, all the way down, and we'll pass the way it comes off. This is a bit nicer, not quite as vertiginous. There's a good word for you. So we're coming to the end of the track, and then the road begins. Oh, I'm getting tired now. Tired and achy. It's about an 8-hour walk so far, which might be a bit much for some. Probably a bit much for me, if I'm honest. Well, it's pretty much road from here, so thank you ever so much for watching, if indeed you still are. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again on another Wainwright walk. Stay safe.